Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine on this evening. So friends, today it's a very requested video, and one of my friends said that Vaseline can be only used for one or two things, and I don't know much. Then I said, okay, sure, I'll make a video on it, and I can tell you a lot of things what you can do with one little Vaseline. And here is the Vaseline which I have. This is Vaseline which I have. I like to have a big pack of Vaseline, so I don't like to buy those baby jars and all. So this is the Vaseline which I used, and I think I bought this from Walmart. So you'll get it in any store, any Walmart, King Supers, wherever, but I bought this from Walmart. So this is the thing which I got, and it is a clear one, and it's not a flavored one. I have already used so much, and I love Vaseline. I use most of the things with Vaseline, and here I'll be telling and sharing you a lot of home remedies about what you can do with the Vaseline. So with Vaseline, the first remedy would be that I just take Vaseline, and most of you know that in winter, and now it is December, and in America we have so much of winters and very bad winters actually. So I use this Vaseline and I take it. I just take a little and rub over my lips. Of course, I had applied lipstick, so it is going to show that I used it as an lip balm. So I tell my children always to put Vaseline, and if they put 2 times in a day, they are cracked lips, and the bleeding lips almost stops off every time. So Vaseline, first thing is, can be used it for your lips so that you don't have cracked lips. And the second use I use with Vaseline is that one day when I was opening my makeup kit and I wanted to do something, I saw that my highlighter had just finished, and I didn't have time to go and grab a new one because I had a party or something, and I just don't know that I didn't have a highlighter. So I just took little Vaseline and I just highlighted wherever you feel like highlighting. You mostly ladies like to highlight on their cheekbones, so I like to put over here with the cheekbones and all. So it got stuck in my fingernails because my nails are growing back again, and I like to put on my nose also. See the effect, friends. With Vaseline it started to already shine. So, and if you're wondering that where's my lipstick mark, I washed it. So don't think that I used my same lips with this one. And I went, I washed, and I came back again. And this is my second time which I'm doing and telling you the second tip. So it can be used as an highlighter also. And sometimes the third use can be used it for like you have bangles, and sometimes the bangles become too tight or too tight and they don't come out. And if I make it this way, I've been wearing this is a kada, and in Punjabi people we all wear this kada, and I'm wearing this when I was 16 or 18 years of age, and looks like my hands have not grown bigger or fatter. So sometimes if I feel that no bangle is entering or no ring is entering, you just apply Vaseline, like just take a little. I'll have to use my left hand, so just use a little Vaseline here. See the amount of shine it's giving. So just apply it, and just make sure that you're applying on the bangle also a little bit. And gold bangles, of course, if you have bought it 20 years back, if you have got married and it's not entering, and if you just see, the bangle will just slide by itself only. So this is the trick. If bangles don't enter, or if you have problem with the rings, just apply some Vaseline, and it'll just go inside your hand. You can just easily wear it, I mean. And sometimes you must have seen some people having very slim eyebrows and very thin eyebrows. Of course, I have thick eyebrows, so I don't have to worry. People have sometimes thin eyebrows and they don't have much hair, so you can just take a little Vaseline, just massage on your eyelids, on your eyebrow areas, and just rub it all over, and you'll see that the hairs which were not standing well will give a good shape, and it will just settle down so quickly, and eyebrows will look so good and settled, and they'll be like somebody like that you have gone and got your eyebrows done. So it's the best thing to just apply some Vaseline, and it will set up your eyebrows if you have very standing hair problem and all. And you can even use it on your lids to give it a good shine. So that also it's very good actually. It will give you a natural mascara kind if you don't have a mascara on that day evening and you have to go to a party or something. So that also, just take a little mascara, Vaseline, and just rub it on your eyelids also. It will be so useful. Friends, you must have seen that sometimes my hair is even fuzzy and it just doesn't sit sometimes. So I take a little Vaseline and just with a little bit finger, I just touch it up and it will just settle down by itself. And sometimes you'll see that you have split ends also on your hair. So mostly it will be in the last hair, like very thin, but I have little long hair and I usually tie it in a bun. And when you see that you have very lot of too much of split ends, you can just put it and massage your hair like this, and it'll be all right, and you'll see that your hairs have settled so well. I mostly sometimes even wear a hairband, and people think that I have gelled my hair so much, but it's only coconut oil which I use. So this is the another thing which you can do with Vaseline. And the shine what you get after putting Vaseline or after applying Vaseline, it is so good, and people will say, wow, your hairs shine a lot. So that's another compliment which comes, and nobody will know that what you have done for your hair or your split ends. And the things which I'm telling you, no friends, you have to do it daily. So then only you'll see results, and at least for trying, you have to give at least 1 or 2 months of time. So that's the recommended time, because that's how you see changes in your body, and whatever you're doing, it shows that okay, this really helps. So friends, how nice it is, and you can use Vaseline for so many things. I'll tell you one more secret what I do. I sometimes take half a spoon of coconut oil and half spoon of Vaseline and just rub it all over your hairs and just massage before you're going for a shower and taking a head shower. So just massage it just like oil. Mix all the two ingredients. You can add aloe vera gel, you can add vitamin E oil, you can add so many oils and make it a good blend. Mix it well and just massage it onto your roots and to your hair, everywhere. Just massage it. Keep it for 2 hours before you take a shower, and you'll see that your hairs have become so soft, smooth and silky. So that's the secret which you can do too. So that will also help your hairs get good moisturized, and Vaseline has so much of moisturization in it, and it is a very good petroleum jelly. So whatever it is, Vaseline is the solution to all winter skin problems. And if you feel that you have to go out and stand in the winter for 2 or 3 hours, you can just apply a little Vaseline, just rub it, apply it properly, and just massage it. So it will help you out so much, and you'll never complain that you have very bad skin and all. And sometimes ladies have cracks on their heels, on their legs, so that can be gone off too, because when you apply a little Vaseline all over your feet and wear your socks, it will moisturize and it will naturally lock all the moisture, and next day morning you'll see that the bleeding of the heels is also stopped. So always use Vaseline, and this was not a sponsored video. I like this product, so I purchased it myself. I hope Vaseline people are seeing and they send me some products of Vaseline. I would love to do a review for them if they want me to do. So, but this was not a sponsored video. Whatever I tell you, I just buy and I use on my skin. So I've just come and told you what and all I use Vaseline for. So this is all the things which I had to share. I hope you have liked my video, and if you have liked it, please like it, share it with your family and friends, your brothers, sisters, auntie, uncles, whoever you want to share it to. Please share, and if you have any comments, please comment below, and subscribe. And thank you so much everyone for watching. Love you all, and thanks for your support who and all have liked my videos and all. Thank you very much, and have a great day, guys. Bye.